In this video, you will understand how a student fee collection is scheduled on a fee category that you've created. The fee category defines the batches the fee collection will apply to. So before scheduling a fee collection, make sure you have created the necessary fee categories, fee particulars, fee discounts, and fines. Only the administrator or a privileged employee, that is, an employee with managed fee privilege, can schedule and manage fee collections. Let us see the same in Fedena. I will go to Administration, Finance, Fees. We must have already done this setup of creation of master fee. Let me show you for the batch that I've already done. For this batch, I have created the master fee category, and inside this, I have 3 particulars. At this point, I can edit these particulars, delete them, or add new particulars for this fee structure. I've also set up the discount, which I can check by going to View Discount. For 5 students that I have in grade 4, I have set up a fixed discount value that will automatically appear in the fee receipt of these students. I've also set up late fees payment fine. So here, if I check for grade 4, I have set up the fixed amounts for each day after the due date, which will automatically get added up in case the student is paying the fees late. Once I have done these settings, now I can schedule the fee collection. I will use this option of schedule fee collection and click on create fee collection. I will select the category for which I am creating. So this is the one that I just created, the fee structure. I will give the name of this fee structure. So let's say it is academic fee for 2016 for the batch which is grade 4. And I will put the fine as well. So in case the students of this batch are paying this fee late, which is after the due date that you are just going to set, you can select the fine if it is applicable, and the setting that you have done for fine will be displayed. Now you can set the start date and the due date for this fee collection for the batch. It means the students will be paying you this fee amount within this duration that you set here. So let me set a week's duration here and set this fee collection. Again, it is a scheduled job. Scheduled job denotes that the action that you have just performed will take a minute for it to get reflected in the system. That is, you will be able to create the fees and collect the fees from the students just after some time. Now let's see the status of the scheduled job. You can click on click here. If you see this message which says no scheduled jobs for the selected job type, it denotes that the job is completed and now you can collect the fee that you have just scheduled. So here, let us first see what dates we have given and how we can view them for this batch. So I'm selecting the batch. This is the fee that I just scheduled. It shows the start date and the end date. Again, at this point, I'll be able to edit this or delete this and schedule a new one if I have made this by mistake. Now, let's also see how we can manage the fee collection. Here, I will select this batch. This is the fee collection that I just created. You can see that particular is selected here. So it shows the particulars that are applicable to the complete batch. So these are the 3 particulars that I created batch-wise, since I selected all the students when I was creating this particular. Student-wise, I did not create any separate particular and neither student category-wise. If you create it like this by giving admission numbers or selecting the student category while you were creating the particulars, that list will appear here. You can also check the discount in the same way. So if you see batch-wise, I have not created any discount batch-wise. I have created it student-wise. I have created for 5 students. I have not created it category-wise, neither particular-wise. So all this gets listed here. From here as well, you can check or uncheck the students for which you do not want to apply the discount and update the same. And the same will be get reflected in their fee structure. So here, this is how you will be able to schedule the fee collection dates and also manage the dates and check the particulars and the discounts applicable to the students. In the next video, I will show you how as an administrator you can collect the fees and how as a student or the guardian of the student you can pay the fees, which is fee submission.